Hey guys, I have been asked to do a instructional video on number 5 from the proportional relationships worksheet, the one that has got all what's the title of it? It's the proportional relationships worksheet, the unit rates and conversions from those additional questions. So number 5, it gives us buying 2 1/4 pounds banana costs $1.89. So 2 1/4 pounds of bananas costs $1.89, right? So it wants, in this case, the cost per pound. So I need to convert 2 1/4 pounds per 189. I want to get that to be cost per pound. Now, interesting. So here's what I want. I want cost per pound. Well, if you look at my original ratio I just set up, I set it up pounds per cost, didn't I? Can I flip them around? Is that okay? If I want cost per pound instead of pounds per cost, yes. So this ratio is set up this way, but I can also set it up, and I'll just do that down here. I could set it up as $1.89 for 2 1/4 pounds. I can set it up that way too. And what I want to do is I want to get that to be converted to be per pound. I need 1 pound on the bottom. I've got to figure out what is my cost for 1 pound. So I have to convert that into a unit rate. And so remember the process of converting to a unit rate is if I want this 2 1/4 pounds to be 1 pound, I can just divide out evenly. So 2 1/4 pounds, I can divide 2 1/4 on the bottom to figure out what I get. That becomes 1 pound, right? So I can do the same thing on top. Divide by 2 1/4 on top. So I can take, if I'm dividing that 2 1/4 divided by 2 1/4, what do I get? I get 1. So now I've just got to divide that number by 2 1/4, and that'll give me my cost per pounds here. So let me get my calculator on. I'm going to do this with a calculator. So with my calculator, I'm going to say it's $1.89 divided by. Now, I don't want to put 2 and then I can't do fractions on this, so I got to know that a quarter is 0.25, right? So hopefully you got those conversions. You know that some decimals and fractions, their conversion, which is nice. So I hit that equal, and I get 84. So what do I have? I have to make sure I put it as a decimal pennies, right? So it's 84 cents, which makes sense. If $1.89 for 2 1/4 pounds, it's definitely going to cost less per pound, right? Because I'm dividing out and it's less money. So there's my cost per pound given that initial ratio. All right, there you go.